Hey there, friends and fellow aviation enthusiasts. Today I'm thrilled to bring you something truly extraordinary from Chino Airport in California. This isn't just about the airport's rich history or its connection to the famous Planes of Fame Air Museum. Today we're diving into something unique, a private restoration project that's close to my heart, the Lockheed Electra. This project is a labor of love, a private endeavor that's as ambitious as it is awe inspiring. The Lockheed Electra, for those who share our passion, isn't just any aircraft. It's a flying legend, an echo of the golden age of aviation, and forever linked to the adventurous spirit of Amelia Earhart. To think that Earhart herself piloted an Electra in her bold attempt to circle the globe, and now we have the chance to bring one back to its former glory. It's just mind blowing. I feel incredibly blessed to be spotting this gem for you. It's not every day that you get to witness the revival of such an iconic piece of history. And to be able to share this journey with you, to bring you along every step of the way, is something I'm deeply grateful for. We're part of something truly special, reviving a legend and perhaps inspiring a new generation of dreamers and doers. Thank you for being with me on this incredible adventure. Your support and enthusiasm make all the difference.